my name is Ethan. Today I will talk about planting seeds. Spring is a great season to plant a seed. First, find a sunny spot in the backyard. Pull out the weeds and dig out the soil. Now it is time to plant the seed. Make little holes into the soil and put the seed into the hole. Cover the seed with glue. Last, keep the seed from water.